Hey Cal, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. So
Good.
today the lesson is going to be about fractions. Okay, do you know anything about fractions?
Not really.
Okay, well, perfect time to learn, right? So today is going to get a little bit fun. We're going to be using Play-Doh. Do you like Play-Doh?
Yes.
I think everybody pretty much likes Play-Doh. So we're going to be using Play-Doh to make an example of a fraction. Okay, so which color would you like to use? We have green, yellow, blue, and it looks like red, but a hint of peach. Which one would you prefer?
I think I like the blue one right there.
Okay, let's start with blue. So, first gonna take it out. Get a little bit out. You don't have to have a whole lot. And so, what I have right here with me is an example of the first fraction that we're gonna be doing, okay? So, 1/2, okay? So, I'm gonna roll it up. And we also have a utensil. I want you to cut some. So, pay attention to what I'm doing. I'm gonna make it as flat as possible that I can make it. It's like a little circle. And so now that I have it on this piece of paper, I can cut with this knife 1/2 right down the middle. And therefore I can take the other part out. So as you can see, that is 1/2 of one full circle. So that is what I want you to do for this lesson, okay? So I have some more for you to work on. So here's your first set. Let me give you back your blue Play-Doh. And the first one is 1/4. Can you show me how to do that? And here's a knife for you to use. So it seems pretty simple, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's see. Oopsie. Good job. Perfect. So as you can see, this is 1/4. Okay, you have the one over there and then the other three. So that makes 1/4. So let's try another one. The next one is 2/3. Let's see you do that one. And if so, can you like make it into like a pie shape? You know, like a triangle kind of diagonal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm sorry I didn't tell you that at first. Excellent, excellent. So you're doing a great job. So you're getting the hang of it. So it's not quite as bad as what you thought it was. So let's keep going and let's see you make the next one, 4/5. Let's see you make that one. And let me know if you want to use a different color if you get tired of the blue. Excellent. 4/5. You're doing a great job. So the next one is 4/7. A little bit higher now, so it's a little bit more difficult, but let's see. Looking good. 4/7, you're doing an excellent job. So we got the 4 over there and then 3 right here. So let's try one more. So I think you've already gotten the hang of it. I did have another sheet for you, but since you're doing so well, we don't have to do all of that. So let's try 3/6.
I just noticed something.
What?
3/6 equivalent to 1/2.
Exactly.
Wow.
You're learning so much. So before you didn't even know what fractions was all about, but now you've seen it's
Yeah, it
basically
looks
same.
even. It looks very even.
Exactly.
You know, you take 3 and out of 6, that's basically 1/2, just like the very first one you modeled for.
That's right. So you've already known how to do it. You've seen the example. So how confident do you feel now after you do
I
it?
feel very confident.
Good,
Very confident.
good.
Much more. I feel like I've known fractions all along, but had to see, kind of do it, be hands on with it versus just looking and seeing.
Right. All right. Thank you so much for participating today. I appreciate
And
you.
I want to thank you so much, Mr. Dan. You giving me so much insight in fractions. It wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for you first modeling for me how to do it. So I think your lesson plan was excellent. Thank you so much for this wonderful experience.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm glad to help.
Thank you.
Thank you.